Have you tried ivermectin, sulfur creams, or antifungals for Demodex mites? Yet the itching and bumps keep coming back? The problem might not be on your skin at all. It may be in your gut and liver. Today we're going to talk about the one supplement and lifestyle fix that almost no one in mainstream medicine mentions, supporting your bile and digestion. The common face mites living on your pores are called Demodex. They are microscopic arachnids that live in human hair follicles and oil glands. Almost everyone has them on their cheeks, eyelashes, foreheads, and nose. Two species exist, Demodex fortiform, which eats dead skin cells, and Demodex brevis, which feeds on sebum. In small numbers, they're just harmless, but when they multiply excessively, they cause demodicosis, leading to itching, redness, and pustules. Overgrowth usually happens when the immune system is compromised or when other skin conditions like rosacea are present. These can temporarily reduce Demodex counts, but they don't address why the mites overgrow in the first place. Emerging research on the gut-skin axis suggests that what happens in your intestines and liver directly affects your skin. A healthy gut barrier normally keeps microbial products inside the intestine. So when that barrier becomes leaky, molecules such as lipopolysaccharides and secondary bile acids leak into the bloodstream. These irritants travel through the portal vein to the liver, triggering pro-inflammatory cytokines. Those same cytokines drive conditions such as rosacea and Demodex. In other words, if the gut and liver are inflamed, the skin becomes a target. So what's the missing link here? Poor digestive function, especially low stomach acid and small intestine bacterial overgrowth, is a known contributor to rosacea. A functional medicine approach to rosacea focuses on assessing gut integrity, improving digestion, and balancing microbiome. Betaine hydrochloride, pancreatic digestive enzymes have shown promise in preliminary trials. In people with low stomach acid, adding hydrochloric acid plus vitamin B improved rosacea. Improvement has also been reported after supplementation with pancreatic enzymes, and rosacea patients produce less pancreatic lipase than healthy people. Beyond stomach acid, bile plays a critical yet overlooked role. Bile secreted by the liver and stored in the gallbladder emulsifies fats and carries out toxins. According to Peace Health Library, hydrochloric acid secretion from the stomach, pancreatic enzymes, and bile all inhibit overgrowth of candida, whereas decreased secretion of any of these components can lead to microbial overgrowth in the intestines. An imbalanced gut ecosystem provides more fuel for Demodex. Natural medicine practitioners recommend bitter foods, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar to stimulate that digestion. Digestive bitters prime the body to produce more digestive enzymes and prompt the liver to produce more bile, which improves nutrient absorption and fat breakdown. Eating bitter greens before meals similarly stimulates enzyme and bile production, ensuring proper emulsification of fat. The link between leaky gut and skin becomes clearer when that secondary bile acids leaking into the bloodstream irritate immune cells and trigger cytokines that drive rosacea and demodicosis. Supporting bile flow and gut integrity helps prevent these inflammatory cascades. So what are some practical bile support strategies? Digestive bitters or bitter foods work. Take a few drops of digestive bitters or eat bitter greens like dandelion or arugula 10 to 15 minutes before meals could really improve. Bitters increase stomach acid, enzyme output, and bile flow. Another one is Betain HCl. Supervised supplementation with Betain HCl may improve digestion and has been associated with improvement. I would recommend always working with a healthcare provider because acid supplements are quite powerful. The third one is pancreatic enzymes. Supplemental enzymes support breakdown of fats, proteins, and carbs. Found that rosacea patients produce less pancreatic lipase, and anecdotal reports show symptom improvement when enzymes are added. Number 4 are bile salts or choleretic herbs. Some practitioners use ox bile or herbal choleretics, which could be dandelion root or gentian, to support bile production and flow. Dandelion is one of the herbs listed as a digestive stimulant for rosacea. These help keep bile moving so fats are properly emulsified and toxins are carried out. Number 5, of course, is diet and lifestyle. Following an anti-inflammatory, high-fiber diet supports the gut microbiome, avoiding greasy foods to avoid greasy skin. Managing stress, as stress can disrupt gut health and trigger a flare. Altogether, Demodex mites aren't just a skin problem, they're an immune and microbiome issue. The immune system is weakened, and the gut-liver barrier leaks inflammatory mediators like secondary bile acid. While anti-mite creams can prove a short-term relief, lasting improvement requires restoring your digestive integrity, supporting stomach acid, pancreatic enzymes, and most importantly, bile flow helps inhibit microbial overgrowth, improving fat digestion and reducing the inflammatory signals that feed Demodex. If you've been attacking mites without success, consider focusing on gut and liver support. Demodex overgrowth often reflects on an internal imbalance. If you have been struggling with Demodex mites, please check out the demodexsolution.com and you can schedule a free consultation with a professional who will be able to choose the right program for you